Crunchy, fresh, juicy and delicious. Everyone loves a good cucumber salad, especially how quickly they can come together. Today we are sharing 3 of our popular cucumber salads that you can make in less than 15 minutes. All have a soy-based dressing, but they are unique in every way. First up is our Japanese cucumber Sunomono. Sunomono literally translates into vinegar things. So this is a simple cucumber salad that relies on a vinegar dressing to flavour the cucumber. It's sort of like a pickle, but quick to make. You only need one vegetable, the cucumber, plus a few simple pantry staples for the dressing. First you need to do is thinly slice the cucumbers, then you add salt to draw out the excess water, make the soy-based dressing and mix all together. The one step that you cannot skip is the salting of the cucumber, because this actually will help preserve the crunch. There are many variations that you can create with the Japanese cucumber salad. We love it with all our rice dishes, plus you can serve it with grilled meats to help break up the fats. Our next salad is a quick and easy cucumber edamame salad, one of our go-to favourites for barbecues. This recipe features a delicious soy ginger dressing that hits all the right notes. It's savoury, tangy with a pop of lemon juice and just a little kick from that freshly grated ginger. The salad itself is a vibrant mix of crunchy cucumbers, sweet corn, edamame and creamy avocado. We've also added some chopped scallions and toasted sesame seeds for that extra boost of flavour. We find it's perfect for barbecues and potlucks, since it's simple to make ahead and stores beautifully in the fridge. Plus, you don't have to worry about soggy greens when transporting it, just grab and go. And if you ever want to fancy it up, serve it with some freshly made rice paper crackers. Everyone will love it. Finally, we are sharing one of our most popular cucumber salads, smashed cucumber, aka Huang. We smash the cucumbers not only because it's fun, but it helps with the flavour and texture. Just like our Japanese cucumber Sunomono, this recipe also benefits from salting the cucumbers first. This will help preserve the crunchiness of the cucumber. Again, a simple soy dressing, but this time we're adding sesame oil and garlic. The combination will be savoury, aromatic and absolutely delicious. We have used rice wine vinegar in this recipe, but you can also use black vinegar if you prefer a little more sharpness. We love how the savoury soy dressing can easily seep into all the nooks and crannies of the irregular shaped cucumber pieces. To finish, add some toasted sesame seeds, and if you like spicy cucumbers as well, you can also add your favourite chili oil for that extra kick. So that's it, our 3 different 15-minute cucumber salads ready for you to try.